that's the part that's just going to grind on year after year after year. It's never going to be incredible, but it's always going to be pretty good. Hey, this is Chris from StockSpot, Australia's largest online investment advisor, and in this video I'm going to be touching on core satellite investing. What is it and how can you use it? So the idea of core satellite investing is that you have a core part of your portfolio, the main part of your portfolio that's low cost, low risk, diversified, that you can rely on over the long run. Now, typically a core part of your portfolio would be constructed using low cost index funds because there's a lot of evidence, academic and empirical evidence that is the smartest, safest way to grow wealth over the long run. That's the part that's just going to grind on year after year after year. It's never going to be incredible, but it's always going to be pretty good. Our view at StockSpot is it's probably all you need over the long run because it is very hard to pick satellites that are going to outperform. However, the idea of a satellite is it's something within your portfolio that gives you extra potential for return. It might be an area of the market that you believe in that you want to have extra exposure to, like technology, or a certain country like Japan, or it could be a certain asset class that you want extra exposure to. But the idea of the satellite is it's a smaller part of your portfolio where you're taking some sort of active view. You believe that part is going to do well, but you don't bet too much on it because ultimately nobody knows, and there's a great wad of evidence that shows that it's very hard to actually correctly time these things, and so you don't want to be too weighted towards that. At StockSpot, we approach satellites by giving clients who are investing over $50,000 the ability to pick themes, which are ETFs that give people a little bit more of an extra tilt towards either a different sector of the market, a different asset class, or a different type of thematic. And this allows you to have a little bit more control without really giving yourself the opportunity to blow your portfolio up by taking too much risk in a certain area. Now, core satellite investing is a really nice way, I think, about building long-term wealth while still having a little bit of control over how you approach investing. The alternative, of course, is by taking either a fully active approach, where the whole portfolio is essentially the satellites. This isn't something we recommend at StockSpot because there's a lot of risk involved, and there's not a lot of evidence people can do it consistently well over the long run, or a entirely core portfolio. That would be my preference if you're going to pick something other than core satellite, just because we see it with our clients, and a lot of the evidence out there, including the Spiva study, the Dalbar study, and the Pensions Institute study, show that just core low-cost ETF portfolios tend to do the best over the long run. If you like that video or you want to learn more about investing topics generally, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a like.